All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray everybody is very blessed. Guys, make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. Today is the day that potentially Bitcoin makes it to $25,000 during the stream. Shout out to Boris. Shout out to Hunick. Shout out to Jesse Bond. Shout out to Dylan Lambert in the chat. Shout out to Crypto Podcast. What's going on, Crypto Podcast, by the way? What's going on, Crypto Podcast? Good to see you here, Crypto Podcast. Guys, make sure to like the stream. If we can get 1,000 likes, we will be doing a giveaway on this day. We will be doing a giveaway if we can get the 1,000 likes. Shout out to Crypto Incognito. Shout out to Jonathan Tatum. Shout out to Jason Mayer. Jacquez family, what is going on? Magic Money Gaming. What is going on, man? Well, guys, here we are. We're long, and we are looking for more upside. Maybe. We might be looking for more downside, guys. So it's very interesting. This sideways range that Bitcoin has been trading, guys, been very juicy, right? Shorted from the top, took the long trade from the bottom, currently closed out of that one. Took the short trade from the top, still holding it, guys. And then yesterday we were looking down here to this key support around 22.7-ish for the scalp long, and that is currently the trade we are in right now, guys. Shout out to everybody in the VIP Discord, the Casper crew, taking these juicy trades, guys. And as you can see, well, I don't know actually if you can see, but I'll show you. I'll show you guys. There's the potential right now that we are forming the coveted upside down head and shoulder pattern with a potential target, guys, if we take this measured move right here, with the potential target of around $23.8 thousand Bitcoin. The question is, are we going to get there? Are we going to get there? Let's take a look at some indications on the chart. Figure out, are we going to get there, guys? Are we going to get there? As you can see, I have a TP at 24,000. I have another TP at 23,400. Let's see if we can get this breakout. Obviously, we're finding some resistance at clear resistance. Let's see what happens here. Now, if we take a look at the poll, you guys say, more people than not say that we're going to 25K during this stream. So let's go, guys. Shout out to Casual TA Crypto Jesus, who says S&P hitting the monthly level. All right, we got to get into these charts, guys. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Oh my goodness. S&P 500 just hit into the monthly area of resistance. And here's the thing, guys, the S&P 500, if this rejects here, Bitcoin is absolutely going to reject as well. However, if we can break above this key zone of resistance, I do think we will see much higher prices for cryptocurrency. Wow, would you look at that, guys? We have come up to the exact level, the top of this box, and we're currently getting some kind of rejection. Let's see, how's the 12-minute looking? The 12-minute is looking a little conspicuous, guys. We do have some bearish signs here on the 12-minute. We can see that over time, the momentum and the money flow is getting lower here. This is the dangerous. Well, you guys know what it is. You guys know what it is. It's the dangerous upside down uneven butt cheek pattern where when the price is getting higher to a key area of resistance and we see market Cipher B getting lower, just like this woman's butt cheeks, it can lead to a rejection. Let's check out the DXY, guys, because as we know, the dollar is currently at a key area of support, 101 points, coming down to that key level. And man, the dollar has just been trading sideways in this range for quite some time, guys. It's very important if we want to see more upside for cryptocurrency that the dollar starts to lose 101 points But right now, the dollar is starting to get a little move to the upside. And right now, we can see that the S&P 500 is getting a little bit of a rejection right here. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. We haven't even looked at the Bitcoin chart yet. We don't know what it even looks like yet, so let's take a quick look here. Wow. Here's our Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour, guys, and as we can see, the 4-hour market Cipher B is picking its head up just a little bit right here. Looking like she wants to give us another little move to the upside. Looking like we want to get another push to some key areas of resistance above us. Okay, let's go down to the 12-minute and take a look at how things are looking on the 12-minute. Well, it saddens me to say, guys, that the 12-minute is looking slightly bearish as well. Okay, we can see the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern as well on the 12-minute time frame, starting to form as the price is getting higher, just underneath resistance. I don't know. It's smelling a little fishy to me, guys. It's smelling a little fishy. I mean, I know that we're not exactly at resistance yet. Resistance is a little bit higher, but we're close enough, give or take 50 cents. Maybe we're not going to get our move, guys. Let's take a look at the order flow chart and see what's going on. I hope we get the move, guys. Let's take a look at this order flow chart and see what's going on. I'm going to go to the 5-minute time frame here over on XO charts so that we can see what's going on here. Well, I do have to say that so far, this last little bit of a move to the upside has seen a lot of shorts get absolutely wrecked. We've seen a lot of shorts get absolutely wrecked. And honestly, although we have seen some longs open up in here, we did see a lot of longs actually take profit up in this zone. So a lot of longs have already taken profit, probably because, you know, we're coming up to this zone of resistance right here. So longs are like, you know what, man, I'm out, right? It's like your boy Jason Casper, long from down here. Should he be out? Should he be out? Maybe. But we're not here, guys, to do the right thing. We're here to make open mouth thumbnails and be sensational. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Of course I'm joking. Now here's the thing. We are consolidating right now underneath this resistance. I think we can come a little bit higher here. I think we need to at least take out this high. I have my eyes set on this high. That's why I've got my TP set just a little bit higher here. I could be wrong, but here's the thing. We need to think to ourselves, you know, since we got this big move to the upside and then back down on Monday, right? We got this big move all the way up here and then back down. Sorry, that was on Wednesday. We have a lot of liquidity above all these highs, right? A lot of liquidity above these highs. And I would like to take them all out, smashing right into this golden pocket where we very well may get a rejection from the 618 Fibonacci level, right? 618, the 618 Fibonacci level. This woman always rejects her boy Jason Casper and gives us a mean rejection, especially when we see that uneven butt cheek pattern forming on market Cipher B, the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern. And she always rejects me, guys. And I thought it was because you know, I was a nerd, right? I thought it was because I was a nerd. Well, guess what? I started hitting the gym, tried to get buff. Even after that, she still rejected me. Turns out it's because she only likes guys who train legs, and I don't train legs. I thought squat racks were for doing curls in the squat rack. That's why I have such big biceps. So as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of a move to the upside again here. Let's see if we can sustain this. Let's go over to, again, this chart. We will zoom in now to a trend reversal chart to see what's happening in real time here. We can clearly see some lack of participation as the price is getting higher. Open interest is on a decrease. CVD getting lower, not necessarily because people are shorting, but more so just because longs have taken their profits. People are exiting out of their trades. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a move to the upside, guys. Let's see if we can. Make sure to FOMO into the like button, by the way, guys. We've got about 600 people in here and only a few likes. And if we can get 1,000 likes in this stream, absolutely, guys, we will be doing a giveaway. Okay, we will be doing a giveaway. Now, here's the thing. One of the reasons why, guys, One of the reasons why I am not necessarily taking profits here is because of the fact that, I mean, as many of you know, I am holding multiple positions. I'm hedged. I'm in a short from the high. Let's see if we can take a look. I'm in a short from the high as well, guys. Okay? And I am hedged nicely. So I'm trading this range. I'm long from the lows. I'm in long positions from the lows of this range. I'm in short positions from the high of this range. And I've already locked in profits on all of these positions. So no matter what happens, all of these trades are winning trades. And again, guys, all of these trades were setups that we gave in advance in the VIP Casper Crew Discord. Longing from the bottom of the range, shorting from the high of the range. Long from yesterday as well. And so whatever happens now, we are in good shape. We are in good shape, right? We've been training our biceps and chest only. In good shape, okay? It's smelling juicy, guys. You guys smell that? It smells pretty dang juicy to me. Right? We're just buying low and selling high in the range, locking in some profits here, okay? So let's see if we can get a move up to 23,408 for our next TP on this long scalp from around 22,600. And by the way, guys, if you want to join the VIP Casper Crew community, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, check out the course, JasonCasperTrading.com, 20% discount in the description. Also, if you want to trade on ByBit, we have 0% limit fees going on right now, only if you know what you're doing, should you ever even think about trading on ByBit. So, we are getting a little bit of a movement to the downside right here, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's take a look at some higher time frame Bitcoin stuff, okay? I really do want to take a look at some higher term time frame Bitcoin stuff. Again, right now we're trading a range within a range. So right now we are trading this mini range within the larger range. We're coming up to the high of the range. This is the area where we should look for a rejection. However, it's just too juicy to have this area, this 618 Fibonacci level just above us is too dang juicy to think that we're not going to hit that level. I think we're going to hit that level, right? Let's see if I'm wrong. Let's see if I am wrong. All right, we will find out by the end of the stream whether or not I am wrecked. But when we take a look at a higher term time frame, guys, here's the thing. Bitcoin currently, right now, forming this bull flag pattern. Now, just so everybody knows, I don't long the breakouts of bull flags. I don't do it, all right? I don't long the breakouts of bull flags. But look at this, guys, right? The reason why we're looking at this bull flag is not so that we can long a breakout, right? It's so that we can be aware of patterns that play out more often than not, right? More often than not, these types of patterns give us nice confluence to think to ourselves, should we be looking for higher, right? What's very interesting is that we have broken out, depending on how we want to draw this trend line, right? There's many ways to draw. That's one of the reasons why we can't necessarily trade patterns. There's many ways to draw this. But we have broken out of this bull flag, and then we have come back down to retest this upper trend line now, what used to be resistance from basically Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, even maybe Wednesday. And now it's acting as support. This is very, very interesting. Not only have we gotten this clear support resistance flip, but in addition, if we take a look at the volume that has traded throughout this entire zone, we can see that we are actually holding above the high volume node. And yesterday when we came back down for this wick, we bounced perfectly from the volume area low of this range, showing that the price wants to stay in this range here. And locally, just locally speaking, we have made a low, we have made a high, we have put in a higher low. Let's see if we can shoot for that higher high. That higher high is going to be coming in right now, guys, at about between $24,000 and $25,000. This is the target of our bull flag. Okay, now I know, and I am fully aware of the fact that we are getting some bearish signs on these medium-term time frames, specifically. All right, specifically. Market Cipher B on the 4-hour, where we do have that very scary pattern that typically is a top sign, the money flow and momentum getting lower. Right? I'm aware of it, guys. I am aware. But at the same time, I would love to get one last push up. I would love it. It would catch a lot of people off guard. And that's what the market loves to do, catch a lot of people off guard. It is a weekend, so we need to be aware of what is going to be happening over this weekend if we start to lose 21,700, guys, that is actually a very, very key level. Because as we can see right here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off some of these other levels that we have on the chart. But as we can see right here, we are flirting with this volume area high, right? We just want to break out. We want to hold above it. We haven't really been able to really close a good candle below here, showing that the price wants to trade to a higher level, maybe coming up to test these highs at the $24,000 to $25,000 level above. Now, if we start to lose this key zone, 21.7, right? Then I'm going to be changing my tune. You guys are going to see me getting a little bit more bearish, looking for a retracement back down to some key zones of support. Specifically, the golden pocket at 18,500, very juicy. Also, specifically, the high volume node at like 20,100 is also very, very juicy. But for right now, we are holding this interesting area of support, retesting resistance now as support. And what we really need to be paying attention to now is the S&P 500. What is going to be happening here? We can see if we zoom out that we've had some very bullish action here on the S&P 500. And the thing is, guys, we are currently right now at a key zone of resistance. Specifically speaking, this monthly level of resistance going back to December 1st. If we put on the monthly chart right here, we can actually see that if we just refresh this a little bit, we can see that from December, we got this candle close right here. I'm sorry, this candle open right here. After the November candle close, December opened right at this level. There is liquidity here, and now we are literally backtesting this. If we can break out of this zone, I do believe that we can see much higher prices, including coming up to the volume area high / golden pocket around 4,300. Now look at this, guys. This is very actually, it's very interesting what is happening now. Clearly, this level that we are at right now is key resistance. We can just see on the weekly time frame that this has been the level to break. We were unable to break it in September. We were unable to break it in December. Are we going to break it now? If we do, the next level for the S&P 500 is going to be 4,250 up to 4,300. The Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. 6 Juanita, the girl of our dreams, the one who rejected us over and over and over again. Right? Even after we started going to the gym. Who would have known? Who would have known? Did you guys know that guys were supposed to squat and deadlift? I didn't know that. You know, I went to the gym. What did I see? I saw the hammer strength chest press and the barbell curls. That's it. That's all you have to do. So I thought, wrong. Okay? Wrong. That will lead to a muscular imbalance. And muscular imbalances, as we can clearly see from this pair of gluteus maximi, leads to rejections. So we are getting this move, guys. We are getting this move. Let's see if we can bust through. If we can. Man, it's a Friday. The weekends could get volatile. Past 2 Fridays, we've been straight to Pump City. Straight to Pump City past 2 Fridays. Now, yes, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Yes, we are. It's 1:23 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. Let's check out our good friend, the dollar again. The dollar not doing too much. Shout out to everybody in the chat, guys. We got about 600 people in here, only about 200 likes. Smash up the like button, FOMO in. At least do it for my hair. You know, this is some good hair, guys. Wow. Shout out to Jonathan Tatum, who says, guys, chill out. 25K incoming. I hope so, man. I really do hope that 25K is incoming. Oh, yes, 91, yes, of course, her glutes are pure muscle. MEEQ Vision says, this pump is gonna happen. Let's get this pump going, guys. Let's get this Bitcoin pump going here. As I'm leaving potential gains on the table, let's check out exactly what we need to be aware of. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my 6 Juanita Fibonacci. So really, guys, the truth is, we do have this very interesting inverse head and shoulder pattern here. I would say, you know, if we get a fake out like this, that still counts for me. Come down to the 618. Here's the thing, although she will reject us and break our heart, she will be there to offer us support on the way down, right? When our heart is broken. Check out coinanalyze.net as well. We can see, guys, that for the last, this is the 5-minute time frame, traders have been exiting the market in mass right here. Longs are taking profits, shorts are getting wrecked, open interest decreasing. This is not a very strong move. Perhaps we can get some more volume to come in here. Perhaps we can get some more volume to come in here. So Wendell Mitchell says money flow is coming out sharply on the lower time frames. Dang, that's not what we want to see. If we come up to 25K, will I go short, Chris Treat? There's a good chance that I will. What we want to see if we come up to 25K is a clear rejection with some bullish divergence. So let's say we come up to 25K like this. What we would want to see is a big pump, a large pump, uncontrollable pump, and then a loss of the level. And then I would definitely short that, because why not? Like, we're coming up to resistance. The chickens are drinking. If we have some bearish divs, yeah, that would be a good short to take. I would hold it, you know, I would start it out as a scalp, because honestly, if we start to come up above 25K, I would expect that move up to 30K, because we're entering into a low volume zone. But I definitely look at that as a potential opportunity for a short trade. The thing is, we have a very, very smooth move up to $30,000, because as we can see, this very smooth move down here had absolutely no volume. Like, if we just take a look at the volume pool, we can see there's no volume here. So smooth move up, smooth move down. Well, I should say smooth move down, smooth move out, right? You guys know, like the time you ate Taco Bell at 3 o'clock in the morning. The next morning, although it was very smooth going down, the next morning it was even smoother coming out. Much smoother. Even the consistency was a little different of it on the way out, right? It was thinner. A thinner consistency. And you guys know, short money is different than long money. It just feels different, right? Just feels a little bit different. So let's check out these lower time frames, market Cipher B, and see about this sharply money flow coming out. Oof. Yeah, the 12-minute doesn't look so good. Let's check out our 1 minute here. Dang, yeah, the 1 minute also, guys, not looking the best here. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's see. Shout out to the Crypto Killers. Says, bro, if a huge position opens up long or short in one exchange, how does price come down on other exchanges as well? That's a good question, man. I don't even know. I honestly don't even know. But I found for my own self, I really just look at the ByBit USD pair. That tends to really be the most accurate when it comes to like the order book. I've seen other exchanges, the order book looks the exact opposite, and price tends to do what happens on the ByBit USD. So M.Erk said, I told you. What did you tell us, bro? I forget. Shout out to Remix Productions and Entertainment. Anita Boogie is in a short trade. He told you that a big dump is coming. Okay, well, let's see. He warned us. M.Erks warned us, guys, that a big dump is coming. So dang, I'm hoping for the big pump, guys. I'm putting it out here. I'm hoping for this pump. Let's see if we can get it. All right, maybe I should move my TPs a little bit lower, but I really am hoping for this pump, guys. Let's see if we can get it, or if we're going to take a massive dive down. Oh, man, that would be awful. Maybe we can try and pump the price a little bit, guys. Make sure to FOMO into the like button. We got 700 people here, only 300 likes. Yeah, let's get these likes up, guys. If we can get 1,000 likes, we'll absolutely be able to do a giveaway. And Mauser says White Castle sliders cause some good movements. Also, they do. I'll never forget the time, guys. I was a sophomore in high school, and I was on a very strict diet at the time, right? And I decided to eat like 15 White Castle sliders. What website is it that you use to see the longs? Guys, there's two websites. This is coinanalyze.net, a free tool, okay? And this is going to tell you if trades are opening or closing. It's going to tell you what direction they are trading in. I just made a video about this, guys, actually. Check out my channel, go to videos, and check out this video right here called Follow the Big Money. Follow the Big Money. I'll link it in the chat. This will teach you how to how to understand this chart right here, okay? Now, this is ExoCharts. ExoCharts gives you a little bit more data, but it does cost some money. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the chat. If you guys want to learn more about order flow, check out this video in the chat. I'm posting it in there right now. Ox Contractor. Bro, don't even worry about it, Ox Contractor. Don't worry about it. All right, we're starting to get a move to the upside here, guys. Let's see if this can sustain itself. Let's see if we can pump this Bitcoin. Let's see if we can pump it. If you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, wait until the 1st of February, guys, because Patreon will charge you now and at the beginning of the month as well. Yeah, so wait until the 1st of February. But, guys, starting in February, we are going to be doing 3 live streams a day. We're going to be doing one for New York Open, for Asia Open, and London Open every single day, Monday through Friday, in addition to the VIP live streams we already do. A lot of big things coming up. A lot of big things coming up in February, guys. All right, we're going up. Let's pump this price, baby. Let's pump it. Shout out to Casper's Juana Caius, who says shout out to my lovely grandma. Let's pump this price, baby. Let's get a nice little pump here. Let's get a little pump going on, baby. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Inverse head and shoulders. Shout out to Carl from the moon. Shout out to Crypto. Shout out to all my moon boys. We're going straight to 100K, baby. Straight to 100K, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Am I in? I'm in, baby. I'm in. For someone not in a trade, what's my target for a long entry? I would want to come lower. I would want to come down to like I would want to come down a little bit lower, guys, to probably about, I would want to take the lows. I'd want to come down to like 22.1-ish. Let's see if we can pump this Bitcoin, guys. Let's see if we can pump it.
We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me get a green candle. Yeah. Let me get a green candle. Boom, this Bitcoin. Yeah, I want to see it go 100K. It's just one day away. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Let's pump it right up to 100K. 100K. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K.
Uh-oh. We're dumping. Uh-oh. Oh, man, now we're dumping, guys. All right, we're not really dumping, guys. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Come on, what would Carl from the moon say? Let's go, baby. Blue candle. Blue candle.
Yeah, I want to see your blue candle. Yeah, I want to see your blue candle. Let's pump this Bitcoin. straight to 100K. 100K. Let's pump this Bitcoin.
No more purple candles, baby. Come on. All right, well, you know what, guys? Not every song in the world pumps the Bitcoin. Shout out to Overcome. Thank you so much for the super chat, Overcome. Well, you know what, guys? You know what? Should we flip short? Should we flip short? Should we dump the Bitcoin? Should we dump the Bitcoin, baby? Should we flip short? Should we long from the low and short from the high, take partial profits, and then hold both trades so that we make money no matter what? And if we lose the range up or down, we're in massive profit. Of course, guys. That's how we do it. That's how the Casper crew does it. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew. And we're getting another blue candle, baby. Smoking Joe says it's not happening. Smoking Joe, what do you say, bro? What do you say? Are we going to pump or are we going to dump? Matic short? Shout out to Momentum 3. Yo, you're in Mexico? That's awesome, man. I wish I was in Mexico, but I'm stuck here in the freezing cold mountains of northeastern United States. You know, I'm not on your level, bro. Look at this money flow coming back up, baby. Money flow coming back up. We're getting those pumps. We're getting those pumps. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now we're back long again. No more short, only long. Only long, baby. Let's go. Let's go. See, that's the thing, guys. That's right. Shout out to Rohan. Name a better indicator than JC and his singing. See, that's the thing. My metal vocals, guys. Leading indicator. We sang the song while Bitcoin was dumping. Now we're pumping after the song is over. What do I think about the Vu Manchu Cipher B? I mean, hey, man, you do what you want out there, right? I think it's a ripoff. I think the money flow is not as good as the real deal. But, use whatever you want, man. Alright, the Inspiring channel wants us to dump. Alright, are we going to dump at the stock market close? We have about 2.5 hours until the stock market closes. S&P 500, guys, getting another little push up. We are right here at this monthly area of resistance. Let's see what happens. Money flow is getting a little higher locally, yet coming down regionally here. Again, guys, the S&P 500, I mean, this is the ES Mini Futures chart right now, right? And when we just take a look at this, objectively speaking, we do have, I would say, let's get back onto our lower time frame analysis here. This has been quite bullish. This has actually been quite bullish, I would say. You know, we came down to the low of the range. We came up, broke above the point of control, put in a higher high. Put in a higher low, front running the value area low, front running the golden pocket. We came up to the value area high, got to move to the downside, bouncing very, very strong bullish bounce from the high volume node / golden pocket. Again, although the golden pocket, although 6Juanita will reject you because you don't train legs and you only train biceps and chest, she will be there to offer you support. She will be a shoulder to cry on. Very, very nice of 6Juanita down here, right? But now, look, we're still putting in higher highs here, guys. Now, I do recognize the fact that not only have we hit a monthly level, but we also got a CDW of this liquidity right here. This could be the end, guys. This could be the end. But look, the thing is, guys, as long as we are just trading the range, right? As long as we look for shorts at the high and longs at the low, we'll be all right, right? We'll be all right. We'll be all right. So I'm fine in where I'm at right now, whatever happens with this range. But you can see right now we're starting to get a little pump again. Yeah, we're starting to get another little pump up here. Price will come to value area. Are you talking about the value area low, like at the low, Smoking Joe, like at 18? Shout out to First Coast Crypto, who says hit the likes, y'all. Yeah, absolutely. Can I show me the level and confirmation that got me into the long trade? Sure. Sure. So, the level that got me into this trade, the long trade I'm currently in right now, is this. We came down to the low of the range. And I do have to admit, guys, it was a riskier entry. It was a riskier entry. But here was my rationale from getting into the trade here. Here's my rationale. When we came down to this zone, we saw a huge decrease of open interest. Large decrease of open interest. Let's go back and take a look at what happened when we came back down to that zone. Wow. Look at the volume, actually. Oh, wait, that's not volume. Never mind. Yeah, when we came down to that low, we saw a big decrease of open interest down here. Right? Whole bunch of longs wrecked. Also, look at this. We saw some shorts opening up here. We did see a few shorts opening up in the low. And when you see a big decrease of open interest like that, typically means we're going to get a little bit of a reversal. And for me, it was just a very, very clear invalidation. Like I knew, stop loss under here. Very small risk. And because we were at the low of the range, at this point, it was a golden pocket. It was a naked point of control. It was a daily level. It was a value area low. It's a nice support resistance flip throughout the entirety of the range. So I just went for it, guys. I just went for it. I didn't see really the main confirmations I wanted to see on Market Cipher. But I figured if we were going to get a bounce, this is going to be the place that we bounce, right? Buy low, sell high. Low risk. And I'm already in multiple positions. So if I did take the loss, it's literally virtually a risk-free trade. So I went for it. And I went for it. I set my stop loss. I set some TPs. I went to sleep. Didn't even think twice about it. Woke up to a pleasant surprise. We're at the value area high of the range. And here we are, guys, getting another little pump back up. Let's see if we can test the 6 Juanita Fibonacci. Let's see, guys. We just need a little bit more juice. A little bit more orange juice, guys. Let's see if we can make it up there. We're so close. We're only like 50 cents away. I can smell it now, guys. I can smell it now. Buy low and sell high, baby. That's what my grandfather used to tell me. He used to look me right in the eyes and say, son, investing so dang easy. All you got to do is buy low. And he'd stick his hands down there in his crotch holding a whole wad of cash and sell high, right? And he would make it rain out there on the porch, and Granny would be sitting there saying, oh, yep, that's right, Jason. That sure is right, Jason. Harvesting all that Bitcoin out on the farm, guys. I remember the smell of that field. Out there on the tractor, you know. We would work hard every day. We would work real hard every day. On the farm. We would go out there at the crack of dawn and just do bicep curls and push-ups. Bicep curls and push-ups only. We tried to not use our legs ever. We tried not to walk if possible. We would ride horses everywhere. Never even heard of a squat. But my man Frankie Candles, he knows a thing or two about calf raises. Shout out to Frankie Candles, by the way. John Thomas says my granny's hot. Bro, don't talk about my granny like that, bro. Come on. Come on, come on. Coinbase is up 15% today, huh? Sorry for the loud music, guys. Could I explain how to read the chart we're looking at? Yeah, so basically this chart is telling us what is happening in real time, right? So it's telling us our trades opening, our trades closing, how many longs are opening, how many shorts are opening. Like this morning, right? When we came down to VWAP right before New York Open, we could see that we had a whole bunch of shorts opening right into support. And we could also see that they were getting absorbed by bigger players looking to push the price up. I actually made a video about it. I'll post it tonight. But this is showing us longs and shorts opening and closing, basically, in real time. So it's just a helpful tool as well. Why don't I use Market Cipher DBSI? I used to use it more. I don't find that I need it right now. I don't find that I need it right now. Market Cipher B, it's good enough for me. I pretty much am a fan of Market Cipher B. That's like my main squeeze right there. Is 7860 still single? I don't know. You know, let's see if we can find a picture of 7860. Where is she? Aha, here she is. 7860. There she is. Good old 7860. And of course, Sockhead Casper over here. Let's see what other pictures we got. A picture of me back in college when I was going through an experimental phase. You know, experimenting with the handlebar mustache. What do you guys think? Does the look suit me? What do you think? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Alright, we're getting another pump, baby. We're getting another pump. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish in the chat. Shout out to Aaron G in the chat. Shout out to Kenny who says Booyah Kasha. And what is this indicator called? This indicator is called, this one here is Market Cipher Beat. This is just a charting platform called ExoCharts. ExoCharts, it does cost money. It's like TradingView, but it gives you more data, like outside data, exo data. You know, exo data. Like exoplanets, those dark planets mysteriously roaming around outer space. No one knows what they are. They're too far away from the sun. You know? Yeah, ExoCharts. Well, you know, guys, if you don't want to spend the money on ExoCharts, check out Coinalyze.net because it's very similar in what information it gives you, and it's free, right? It's not going to give you as much info, but it is free. We're getting another pump up, baby. Let's see. We're going to go to the 15-minute. We just need a little bit more juice here, guys. Just a little bit more juice. I think we can do it. Let's check out the ES right now as well. ES, you know, it's, you know, the S&P 500, sometimes it takes longer to reject. It's not as vicious as Bitcoin. We know we're at key support. Shout out to everybody in the stream, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes as we hit the $25,000 Bitcoin target live. 25K, baby, live on a Friday. Pump it Friday. Let's see if we can do it, everybody. Come on, Bitcoin. At least bring us up to our take profit at $23,300 at the local. Six Juanita. She's a local gal. The girl next door. The 618 fib. Six Juanita. She might be in our league, guys. Here's the thing. The big time Six Juanita, she's definitely way out of our league. But the local hometown Six Juanita, just a little bit higher than us right now. She might go out with us, because here's the thing. When you're a small town girl, you know, a tractor boy seems a little bit more attractive, if you know what I'm saying, guys. Because your options are limited in a small town, in a farm town. You know, your options are limited, guys. You know, you might have to settle for somebody like your boy Jason Casper. You know what I'm saying? You might settle for him. He's not so bad. He's not so bad at all. Alright, so, you know, we're clearly at an area of resistance. The dollar, let's see if we can continue to get this move down on the dollar. You know, the dollar has not done much all week. S&P 500 has been steadily bullish since Wednesday when we got this big bounce. You know, Wednesday, that was when we were looking to long this bottom. So when Bitcoin hit this bottom, the S&P 500 hit its bottom as well. And yeah, let's see. So here's the thing. Like, objectively speaking, guys, we know that we are at the top of this range, right? We're at the high. I mean, it's unmistakable that this is resistance. This is a very key zone of resistance right here, right where we're at. So we might not come up to our zone, but I want to come up to the zone. I want it. And sometimes, guys, when it comes to trading, your hopes and desires should dictate what you do. I'm joking. That should never be the case. Always, 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 always have a plan in advance, and don't let your desires or emotions dictate what you do. Right? There's a reason why I'm holding on to this long trade right now. And I'm hoping we can get that move up. We have a confirmed bear div on the 15-minute. What's my thoughts on ETH at the moment? Let's take a look at ETH. Would I short the 618 with 24-minute and down bear divs? No, I personally, I would if I was not in a short already. I would, but because I'm already in a short from higher, no, I'm not going to enter a new short on a Friday. I'm not really looking to enter any trades right now. I'm just looking to get a big move. I'm just looking to get a big move, guys. Yeah, let's take a look at ETH while we're at it, right? Let's take a look at ETH. So, my thoughts on ETH are the same as Bitcoin, honestly. We've got our range, very, very clearly defined highs. We came up to a local area of resistance where we are getting some resistance. Same as Bitcoin, right? Same as Bitcoin. But as long as we hold this zone here, I would not be surprised if we get higher. If ETH loses the level of $1,500, then officially we have changed market structure on a high on the daily time frame, right? We put in our high, our low, our high, put in our low, lower high, and if we come below 1,500, we have officially put in a lower low, okay? And a change of market structure like this is what a lot of people call a head and shoulders breakdown. It's really just a change. It's really just a lower high after a higher high, right? That's what a head and shoulders is. Potential sign of a trend reversal. And so, yeah, I'm looking to see if we lose 1,500, then I will absolutely expect us to come back down to maybe around the $1,300 area. But if we hold, and if Bitcoin pumps up to 24.25, I would not be surprised if ETH also takes out the August high. If Bitcoin's coming up to its August high, around 25,000 Federal Reserve debt notes, then I think Ethereum will also come up to around 2,000 Federal Reserve debt notes as well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you're trying to cash out for some debt notes, then by all means, let's all cash out our crypto when we come up to those levels. But of course, guys, personally for me, when it comes to my life, I love to own nothing and be happy, which is why I'm not actually trading this on spot. No, I'm just borrowing it from the exchange. And I think life would be better if nobody owned everything and we just borrowed everything from other people who are more powerful than us and have more money than us. We'll be so happy to own nothing. It's very sustainable too. You know, the other day I ate myself a nice grasshopper burger, which tasted amazing. I think I might stop eating meat. I hear it's really bad to eat meat. You know? People always ask me, Jason, man, how do you get so jacked? How do you get so shredded? It's all about owning nothing, guys, and eating the bugs and eating the plastic. I don't know if you guys heard of this, but plastic protein powder is coming out soon. It's going to be a good time if you're trying to make those gains. Well, dang. How's the Bitcoin price pumping? Not so good. How's our long trade doing? Not the best, not the worst. I've seen better, I've seen worse. I've seen better, I've seen worse. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. This could very well be, guys. I mean, here's another thing that we need to contemplate, okay? Before this could very well be a Bart Simpson pattern here, guys. Oof, you know, I'll be honest. Objectively speaking here, guys, unless we get something weird happen, If this was normal, if this was a normal everyday trade for me, if I wasn't blinded by my bull glasses and my hopes and dreams of 100K by November 2021, I would absolutely say that this is a Bart Simpson pattern here. Because of the fact that we made this higher high with the money flow and the momentum coming down, it makes me think that we're absolutely 100% going to break the range. So yeah, whoever asked if this would be a good short entry, I would say just historically speaking, yeah, this is probably a good short entry because we're coming back up to this first high right here. Golden pocket, 786. The 786, we know she's a tough cookie. She will beat your dad up. Yeah, it is possible. Okay, so I'm just looking at this now from a more bearish perspective. Honestly, the bullish perspective that I have is a little bit, objectively speaking, stupid. You know, I'll be honest with you. Just based on the indicators I see on the chart right now, the bearish case is kind of dumb. It's a Friday. We have 2 hours until New York closes. We're going to have a big decrease in volume. We'll see what happens after market close. We might get that big push up. This is key for the S&P 500. 40.94 and 50 cents. If this thing isn't going to push up within the next few hours, especially if we get a bearish market close here, yeah, it's not the best. That's really not the best. But let's see. We have another 2 hours until that happens, guys. We have another 2 hours until that happens. So, you know, I would say, oh man, so where would I even close this long if this really was the top? I would see if maybe we could do something like this, and if we can't put in a higher high and we just reject, I would probably close it then. If we do something like this. But let's see, guys. You know, it's not over until the fat lady sings Sweet Home Alabama. It's not over until the fat lady sings Sweet Home Alabama. Yeah, AXS, APT, FTM, and OP have definitely gotten a huge pump during this Bitcoin range here, guys. Make sure to FOMO into the like button, guys. The Jason Casper like button is pumping way more than Phantom. And we have 800 people in here, only 400 likes, so make sure to smash it up. If we can get 1,000 likes by the end of the stream, we're absolutely going to be giving away some cryptocurrency. Let's go, baby. Can the S&P 500 break this key zone? Can we break it? If we can, and we get a rally into market close on this Friday. Money flow getting a little bit thick. Money flow getting a little bit thick. Interesting, interesting. Bookmap shows these things. Says Legend 24. Well, I don't really know anything about Bookmap. In my experience, Bookmap is untrustworthy because anyone could just cancel those orders, right? Crypto Steph wants some free crypto. If you want some free crypto, call your mom, tell her to like the video. In fact, maybe I'll call my mom and tell her to like the video. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. You the man, bro. You the man. J-Boy Bullish, the man. He also rides tractors, guys. He's a John Deere guy. We don't let it get between our friendship. You know, Jason Casper, he's a Kubota guy. You know? He's a Kubota guy. But, you know, here's the thing, guys. Full disclosure here, this is not my tractor. I actually rented this one. I rented this one for the backhoe because my tractor has no backhoe. So this isn't even my tractor, guys. But you know it is mine. The Market Cipher shirt, baby. Just like the one I'm wearing now. You know? Alright, we're starting to get a move back up. Let's see what can happen. Let's check out our good friend XO. So let's see what's going on here. Nothing to write home about, guys. Open interest flat, volume low. Whoa. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but down here we have negative 666,000 negative delta on a decrease of open interest. That is not a good sign, guys. That's some straight up ID 2020 type stuff. The good old Mott B, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Alright, but you know what? We might get this little pump. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it. So J-Boy Bullish says that tractor was his neighbor's. Well, it's all good, J-Boy Bullish, because this tractor's not mine either, bro. But that's all good, you know? Can we get to our target? Our target of 23,300. Is the pump over? I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, there's a good chance that the pump is over. There's a good chance that the pump is in for a retrace. There is a good chance, guys. As I was saying, if I saw this, you know, this to me has been for the past, I mean, literally, since 2021, this pattern right here has been the top signal, showing that we're gonna actually lose the range to the downside and get a real retracement. Just what we see on Market Cipher B. This has been that pattern, right? The let's see if we can find the pattern. Here it is. The upside down Sam Bankman-Fried pattern, where we see the money flow and the man breasts getting lower simultaneously here. We can clearly see on Market Cipher B the money flow getting lower and the momentum waves also getting lower in conjunction. And this is a lower high here. So here's the thing. This zone right here is actually a zone I would be looking even to take a short. Like, it's one of the green boxes. If anybody knows a thing or two about the Jason Casper green boxes, they oftentimes do give us good moves, right? Good moves. A good move. Like you're on a healthy diet. You eat whole foods, not junk food that gets stuck in your colon for 3 years, but good foods. You know, the kind that digest properly. It's all about good digestion. If you have good digestion, everything else will be good. So yeah, it wasn't my choice. The red nipples that Sam Bankman-Fried has, those were actually tattoos that he got himself. You know, when you live in the Bahamas, guys, sometimes you do some freaky stuff. Cyrus Crypto says 23K incoming. Well, if that happens, I mean, we're basically at 23K now, so that's not really a big drop. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Where can you buy the Jason Casper like button? You can buy it everywhere, man. We just got listed on Coinbase. Shout out to Shred Metal, dude. That's what I'm saying, right? We've been pumping every weekend. Against all odds, we've been pumping every weekend. So let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see. Look at this, guys. I mean, the ES just put in a higher high, which could be the dreaded chickens drinking water. Although Money flow is getting thicker. Let's really see. Are we gonna break out of this resistance? Or is this the real rejection here? This could be the real deal right here. Not much volume coming in here, guys. Not much volume. Ah, man. Not looking so great, actually. Come on. No, we don't want a purple candle. We want a blue candle. Come on. Yes, pump the price. Pump it, baby. No. We want blue. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Let's pump this price! Let's pump this price! Let's pump this price! Let's pump this price!
Yeah, baby. Here we go. We're pumping. We're pumping, baby. Uh-oh, no. This is no. Let's get a blue candle. Come on, guys. Nope. This is not what we want. Nope. Nope. Yes. Blue. Nope. Come on. We're gonna pump it. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I'm getting amped up.
Yo! Let's pump this Bitcoin price! We're gonna pump this Bitcoin price! Yo!
Come on, ES, don't do this to us. We need a blue candle right now.
We need a blue candle on the chart right now. Right now. Oh, please don't dump. Please do not do this to me, 6-1 ETA. 6-1.
Oh no. Here we go, baby. We're dumping down. It's the worst day of my life. My long trade.
Now we are dumping down! We're taking a dump on top of the toilet. 6-1 ETA. 6-1 ETA.
Alright, guys, well, here's the thing, right? Whew. Now, this is much more chill. See, sometimes the song works, but it doesn't work until after the fact, guys. Let's see what happens. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull our fib from the high to the low. Let's see if we come up to retest that monthly, and if we do, and we reject, I would throw in the towel. I would throw in the towel. Yeah, I would throw in the towel, guys. Hey, shout out to Divine Hood, who says we broke the value area high of the range, and now we're going back for a retest. Let's do it. Song name? The song has no name, guys. I never named it. That's me. That's me. That's the recording I did. I wrote all that. Never actually gave it a name, guys. It's called Song 2. It was going to be on an EP that I never released. Hey, baby, here we go. We're coming up to the monthly. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens as we come up to test this monthly level right here. Let's go, baby. Come on. We're here for one reason and one reason only, guys, and that's to hit a $25,000 Bitcoin before the stream is over. We might stay here all the way down to 3K and back, baby. And then I'll have to rename the title of this video to 3K and back. To 3K and back. Can I check on XRP? Yeah, I could check on XRP. Let's check on good old XRP. So guys, XRP came up to an area of resistance from the high to the low. Came up and hit the golden pocket. And, you know, I would say as long as Ripple is holding above the 38-cent point of control, to me, that is bullish. And if we take a look at from the low to the high, if we do start to lose the point of control, I would be looking for a retest around this level, around the 34-cent level, because it's just a really nice zone if we take a box tool. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, 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 resistance. I would expect to find some support back down at the 34-cent level if we lose this high volume node here. So if Bitcoin's going to come back down to its lows, maybe XR Pizzle could do something like this, right? If Bitcoin's going to get a bullish move back down to the... Let's go to a higher term time frame. I pretty much... I like to trade altcoins and Bitcoins together, right? So if we're going to get a move back down to this zone on Bitcoin, like the 18.6 area, which is very, very key for Bitcoin, a support resistance flip of this, confluence with the golden pocket from the low to the high, I would expect Ripple would come down to hit this, and then we could still maintain the bullish market structure. And then I would expect to eventually come up and test these highs here at around 54 cents. That's kind of what I'm looking at. So this is a real potential here for Ripple. A move down, especially if Bitcoin dumps, right? If we see Bitcoin dump, I would expect XRP to dump as well. And this would be a nice inverted head and shoulders. We've come up to a nice golden pocket / support resistance flip. You know, that's what I would be looking at for Ripple, guys. People are saying we're going to minus 3K. Matic looks good. Yeah, Matic looks interesting too. Matic, guys, looking pretty bullish. Breaking out of the value area high of the range after a few days of consolidation since last Saturday. Unlike Bitcoin, which is still in the range, Matic is breaking out. We are seeing like somewhat of an altcoin season here. And actually, I do just want to point out the fact that on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart as well, we are at support, right? We're at support. So we might see a lot of altcoins start to move, especially if Bitcoin just keeps ranging locally. But yeah, Matic is breaking out of the range. And for me, the next resistance, I mean, we're obviously at resistance right now, right? We came above the 618. And now we're at the 786. If she rejects us, yeah, we could get some downside here, but here's what's looking really juicy to me. This liquidity and this golden pocket up here is looking really nice to me. I have to say the daily market Cipher B does look like we could get a lot more upside here. Like it really does on Matic. The VWAP's looking poignant and all that kind of stuff. Luna Classic. I have been trading Luna Classic. Shout out to the Crypto Stoner crew. I changed my mic or my voice. No, I haven't really changed it, guys, but I'm a little bit congested today. I've got some congestion in the nose going on, so that might be why I sound a little different. But yeah, I would like to see Matic up to $1.40. Just look at the confluence at $1.40, guys. High volume node of the old range. Grab this liquidity. And if we do come up to here, this is nice. Because we have very nice bullish market structure. Very, very nice bullish market structure. Actually, you know. Yeah, this is a nice bullish market structure. So yeah, if we do come up to test this $1.40 zone for Matic, where would we want to get in on a retrace? Oh, wow. Would you look at that, guys? Would you look at that? So if we do get a move up to $1.40, the retest of the old value area high will be the golden pocket as well. What a beautiful, wow. Wow, this is a very nice potential confluence here, guys, for Matic, where if we get a move up to the golden pocket point of control, get a move back down to retest the value area low of the range, confluence with this major support resistance flip around $1.04, confluence with the golden pocket, that could be actually a very nice long on Matic, and I would shoot for $2. Like, if we get that, I would shoot for $2 because of this. Actually, let me set some alerts for this, man. That could be nice. That could be a really nice play. A nice short flipped into a long right there. That would be nice. All right, let's get back into the game, guys. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a move. Are we going to hit that level? Some bullish CBD going on here, guys, too. Slightly bullish. Let's check out. Yeah, let's get a pump. Let's get a pump. Whoa, SPX is on the move, baby. Whoa! Let's go, baby. 25K Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. We are absolutely pumping now, baby. Now, let's see if we hit that 25K Bitcoin. Now, the ES is a leading indicator for Bitcoin, so now we're going to get the pump. The pump is on, baby. The pump is on. Oh yeah, baby. 25, well, 23,839, baby. 23,839. Let's go. Time to crack open the cold one, guys. Time to celebrate. Yeah, you're right. The metal music dumps it. The metal music dumps it. Yo, shout out to Kumas Crypto. What's going on, Kumas Crypto? Shout out to you, my friend. Matic is dumping, rejecting from the 786. Is Matic rejecting from the 786? I told you guys that 786. She is one tough cookie. Right? She couldn't make it competing in the men's division. She transitioned. Now she's absolutely killing it, just dominating the competition. That's what happens, guys. It's just part of life. It's just natural. Go with it. Go with it. Just roll with it, guys. Look at this bullish. Let's see if we can keep this rally going until market close, baby. Let's see. I'm stoked. I'm rubbing my hands together in pure excitement. I'm ecstatic. A leading indicator for Bitcoin. Are we going to hit our targets? Yeah, everyone might be looking at the head and shoulder. It's all good, you know? It's all good. The dollar's dropping, baby. Dollar dumping. ES pumping. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this looks kind of bullish. Look at the 4 hour curving up. How is the 1 hour? Let's see what happens here, guys. What other altcoins should we take a look at? What other alts should we look at here? We have a giant inverse head and shoulders on SPX. We have a divergence on the dollar. Bear div on the dollar, Jason Mayer. We should take a look at HBAR. Let's take a look at HBAR. I've never really looked at HBAR, so let's take a look. Interesting. Let's check out the Binance pair real quick. Yeah, let's use the Binance chart. This has more data. So, yeah, this has been pumping like crazy. It's up right now about 100%. All right, so right off the bat, guys, I'll tell you what I see. What really stands out to me is this weekly order block right here. This weekly order block is 9.36 cents. Let's see what else we have. Key level right around here. About 13.82 cents. This is a key support resistance flip. Take a look at the volume that traded up here. Wow. Above the high volume node. Wow. This is pretty not bearish looking. Wow, okay. So look at this, guys. We are, right now, I would say, coming up to a very important zone of resistance locally. So just above us, we have two areas of interest. Number one, we have this high running right into none other than our arch nemesis, the 786 Fibonacci. So let's go ahead and mark this out here. This is key. That's going to be at about 8.55 cents. And so this is actually going to be a zone of resistance up here for sure. It's going to be resistance locally. Got the weekly order block up there. If we put in a higher high than this is flipping market structure bullish on the weekly time frame. In fact, you could even make the argument that getting a higher high into local resistance is actually putting in a higher high in the weekly time frame. So if we do put in this higher high on the weekly time frame, what would we look for? We would look for a pullback to get in. And honestly, that pullback would probably, we would want that to be right around this high volume node, golden pocket zone. So, yeah, we're looking at that local resistance at around 0.55. Wait a second, that can't be right. $8.55 cents to 9.39 cents. All right, those cents, they smell. Whoa, what is going on? That's the wrong picture. Those cents, they smell pretty good, right? You guys like those cents? And of course, guys, it's not an exact level, it's a zone, right? It's a zone. Give or take 50 cents, right? Those cents, give or take 50 cents. And then if we get a pullback from that zone, I would be looking down toward this retest. A clear support resistance flip. Support back in July. Resistance back in October. Breakout. Local resistance. Retest. Officially flipping market structure after taking out a previously weekly high. We would go into buy the dip mode, in my opinion, right? This is just objectively speaking looking at the chart. I don't know about, like, you know, World War III and recessions and all this. You know, I don't know. Inflations, deflations, stagflations, recessions, wars, rumors of wars, pestilences, earthquakes in various places. You know, all these things must come to pass, guys. So, let's see. Yeah, I would be very interested in being in this area and then a pullback to this area right here. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, this is like 5.72 to 6.61 cents. Let's see what happens there. Now, something to keep in mind, guys. Right? I mean, wow. Just wow. We could have a very, very, very fast move up to the range value area low as well. So 21 cents is going to be a key zone. Because we can see that we have no volume here, like none, right? We just came right down here. So this weekly order block is very key. I would expect some kind of reaction from that weekly order block. And then I would look to get in on a higher low. And if I could get into a long right here, now, again, I don't know anything about HBAR, right? I don't know anything about it, right? Reminds me of, like, I don't know. It reminds me of, what does it remind me of? It reminds me of this. A handlebar mustache, guys. This is what HBAR looks like. Shout out to HBAR. But yeah, that's what I'd be looking at. You know, let's check out our good friend Bitcoin. How's she doing here? She's hanging on in. She's hanging in there. How's the ES? Hanging on in, getting the breakout, rallying up to market close. Wow, pretty good. Yeah, let's check out Monero. Out one with nature. Now, if you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of Monero. I'm a stacker of Monero. I'm a hodler of Monero. Been stacking Monero like crazy. Looking to hold it up to 1,000 smackaronis. I really am looking to hold Monero up to $1,000. Yeah, SPX is pumping, Bitcoin's hanging. I think, you know, this, to me, let's see what happens. I think that this could give us a bullishness, maybe tonight, because of this, when the markets close, ES is closed on Saturday, it will open up on Sunday. Let's see if we get a Bitcoin pump. We've been getting these CME gaps that have not been closing, guys. Let's take a look at Monero. And guys, Monero is very bullish. I've been bullish on Monero since the FTX dump. I went ham. Straight up. I got so much Monero after this dump, guys. I FOMO'd in a little bit to Monero. My overall trading strategy with Monero is this. Literally, this is my goal for my HODL Monero, and I have TP set along the way. I'm scaling out of this, but I'm looking for a 600% gain on Monero. You guys think I'm nuts? Let's see what happens. I'm bullish on privacy, guys. I'm bullish on privacy. You know, Bitcoin's not private. It's not private at all. Bitcoin was created for anonymity. Anonymity. And we don't have anonymity with Bitcoin. You know, criminals can't use Bitcoin. That's propaganda. Criminals can't use Bitcoin. They can track that. You know? It's trackable. So if you want to do something that no one else's business, you got to use something like Monero. So Monero is the new Bitcoin, in my opinion. Monero is what Bitcoin is supposed to be. Anonymous, private, peer-to-peer means of exchange, currency, right? Monero is what Bitcoin should have been. Now Bitcoin is easily traceable, right? So let's see what happens with this. Now let's do some actual analysis, okay? First of all, check this out. Aha. Falling wedge, breaking out of the falling wedge, guys. Wow, would you look at that? We're breaking out of the falling wedge. And not only that, we came up to test the trend line, small rejection, and now we're blasting off to the stratosphere. Into the ionosphere. And then all of a sudden we go from air, and then literally there comes a point where right next to the atmosphere is a vacuum. Vacuum and air existing right next to each other. Wow! How is that possible? And then we blast right through the Van Allen radiation belts. Straight to the moon. Radiation doesn't even bother us, guys, because we don't even know it's there. Let's see how the, oh, and would you look at that? Would you look at that, guys? Right into the Fibonacci golden pocket / 786 Fibonacci. Wow. Talk about confluence, guys. I'm bullish on Monero. And here's something else. Okay? If we're going to come this high, I mean, I would assume we would put in new all-time highs here. I would assume. I would really assume we put in new all-time highs. Let's check this out. We'll go from the bear market low. I mean, let's just take some time to appreciate the last bull run. A 2,000% gain. I'm bullish on Monero now. I wish we could get more history here on XMR. What exchanges had Monero before Binance? Let's see if KuCoin has Monero on here. I know it's like you can't really hold it on spot in many places. Poloniex. Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys. This is what we're talking about here. Wow. Now, interesting, Monero just put in a double top here. Yeah. I would be looking around that 1.618, guys. That 1.618 fib extension, right around 900. I think we'll probably come a little bit higher. Even the 1-to-1 extension right now is an all-time high. Hang on. So last cycle, we had something similar here. That's interesting. Yeah, I would say, like, look at this bullish div on the weekly, momentum coming up, money flow coming up, and not only that, Monero has officially broken out of this trend, right? When we look at the oscillator, let me make this smaller so that we can see it. We've broken this trend. We had this bearish momentum trend, respecting this trend line, breakout. Same deal with the actual price action. We've had this trend line, respect, breakout, right? This, to me, money flow curving to the upside, just turned blue on Monero. And even if we come in and we put in a double bottom, or even put in a lower low, I will still be stacking it because I know that we put in this double bottom here. I will still be hodling it up at lower prices for certain. That's my take on Monero. But that's more of like a hodl perspective. Let's like get into a trading perspective with it, right? Shout out to everybody in the chat, by the way. What do I think about XTP? I hold it. I hold XTP. I do. I hold XTP. Can we get a Pfizer pump? I hope we get a Pfizer pump. I mean, Pfizer does sponsor this content. Jason Casper brought to you by Pfizer. Yes, Crypto Rancher, my ByBit is still offering the 0% limit fees right now. Still is. Yeah, so let's zoom now into a more normal chart here for Monero. I mean, I just can't get over this wedge pattern here. I am bullish on it. So look at this. I mean, from the low to the high to the golden pocket 786 zone. Now we're actually making a higher high. I would say this is the weekly time frame. For me, the next major zone of resistance for Monero is going to be this weekly order block combined with the 618. So around $213 is a nice zone for Monero. And if we do something like that, I would be looking for a pullback into the range. So this, I don't know. This is PHEMEX. Do people even trade on PHEMEX? I wouldn't trust this volume here. Yeah, I wouldn't trust this volume. Let's go back to Binance. Okay. Yeah, I would be looking for the 216 zone for a little rejection. And then if we come up there, you know, let's say we even come up a little higher. It's tough, right? I would be looking down for a retest in this area here. I would be looking for something like that. right now. Look at the money flow on the weekly, guys. Money flow on the weekly looks very bullish right now for XMR. More bullish than ES right now, breaking out of this monthly level. Wow. Can you guys believe this? How's Bitcoin doing right now? Is Bitcoin hitting our targets? Bitcoin's actually getting its little pump on here. All right, we got the Bitcoin chart. 23,200 rejected. Well, yeah, it rejected, but as long as this ES is pumping, guys, I think this is a leading indicator. How's our dollar doing? It's doing a little bit of nothing, right? A little bit of nothing. Yes, bullish on parade. It is like that. All right, let's top 10 facts. My thoughts on the open interest increase. Yeah, let's check it out right now. Wow. Yeah, so right now, actually, unless we put in a higher high, this is actually looking a little bearish because all of a sudden we have had about, wow, like 2 million longs come in here and shorts getting wrecked. But longs are pouring in. Longs are starting to pour into Bitcoin right now. Yeah, the problem with this is that unless we take out this high, it could be a bearish absorption. So let's see what happens. We've got some longs coming in here. 1 million longs entering right here. And we have a lot of shorts that just got absolutely wrecked. All you bears out there just got wrecked. All right. Now, I know not all of you guys are bears out there. But, you know. We have targets, guys. We have targets. We have goals. And our goal is a 25K Bitcoin by the end of the stream. Even if we have to hold out, go to 10K for a while. I'll just keep adding margin to my longs. Lowering that stop loss down. It'll keep coming back up eventually. Eventually, it will come back up. You know? That's right, 23,244. Let's go, baby. 23,244. Can we check out Solana? Yeah, let's check Solana out real quick, guys. Let's check out Solana quick. I mean, let's check it out. As we get this pump, you know, we could check out Sol. See how Sol is doing. Soothes the soul. Sol came up to the local hometown 618 Fibonacci, getting a little bit of resistance, confluence with the wick at around $25, where we get a little bit of a rejection. If Sol does reject from around this zone, guys, we are looking down for a retest around the $13 area, $13 to $15 area. Because look at this. Smooth move down, smooth move up, smooth move back down. But this time we're looking for the higher low to be put in. And if we do get a move down here, look at the volume area that we've got going on right here, right? We would expect if the 618 rejects us, we'd come down, get a bounce from the daily golden pocket point of control, and then get a move back up to the volume area high. Slash the foreign 618, right? The foreign 618, we've got the local one right here. This is the foreign one. And here's the thing a lot of people don't know about Solana. See, a lot of people think that Solana wants to date this foreign 618, but Solana's more xenophobic than Trump. So Solana might be a little even scared of a foreign 618. Very scared, phobic, you know? Phobia. Talking scared of foreign people. It's a very scary thing. So we might get that rejection from here as well. But the thing is, if we do this, this is still a bullish. And I would look for a continued uptrend, honestly. If everything else is going to be pumping, I would look for that. Let's check out the ES again. ES is pumping still, guys. Wow. We got upside down man boobs everywhere on Solana. I'm looking at the weekly, so let's check out the 4-hour. Yeah, so interesting, we did get the upside down man boobs on the 4-hour, but now we're actually seeing momentum kind of turn up here. So that's interesting. If we hold these lows of like the $20 lows, man, that would be very, very interesting. Now, in order for us to come down to the, you know, we're rejecting from local 618 to, in order for us to come down lower, we'd have to change market structure here. So if I was looking for a short, to play it safe, I would want to wait for a change of market structure, take out the lows, and then short the lower high. Our longs getting absorbed, says Casualty Edges. It does look like that unless we're able to put in a higher high. Look at this bearish CVD. Wow. It really does look like longs are getting absorbed. It's either leading or they're getting absorbed. And shorts are wrecked. So let's see what happens here. It's either leading or they are getting absorbed. But when we zoom out, is this live? Is this this is Binance. This is Scamnance. What the heck? We can't trust the Binance exchange, guys. Yeah, man. This is not looking so good locally, is it, guys? This is looking kind of bearish, right? We see longs opening like crazy. Shorts getting wrecked, but the longs aren't able to push this price up. Let's check out, like, the volume here. Like, it's tough to say, even. We definitely have... Yeah, we have more longs open now than over here. Let's see if we can bust through. Yes, by the way, my top egg-laying hen does have a greater net worth than Elon Musk, by the way. Yes, absolutely. Elliott waves confirm what theory, Emery? I'm curious actually to know. My theory about Solana? Yeah, Bitcoin's lagging behind ES. It's like a Bitcoin's been staying in the range while ES is clearly broken out of this with a V-shaped recovery. Wow, look at that, man. Wow, that is very V-shaped. VVS is what we call it. VVS. Very V-shaped. Very V-shaped. 1 hour bull div forming question mark on Bitcoin? Let's see. I don't see it, but Bitcoin is pumping, baby. Yes, baby, we're pumping now. Let's see if we can hit some take profits, okay? Let's see if we hit some TPs here. All right, guys. You know, I would take you out with me. I have to pee in the bushes outside. Last time I took you guys out there, I lost my internet. So I'm going to keep you guys here. Make sure I don't get liquidated, and I'll be right back.
is always a curious task between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the issue of their being life.
All right, guys. See, we're back. All I had to do was pee, and we're getting a big pump. So here we go, baby. We're pumping up. Right now, we're getting a pump. We're getting a pump, getting a pump, getting a pump. Yeah, that's right. I should be wearing my Depends so I don't have to go outside and pee. So yeah, look at this, guys. We're actually getting a pump, and the bearish CVD that we had on the chart is officially still there. No, it's no longer there. Okay, good. It's no longer there. So let's see what happens here. Shorts are starting to short this. People are like, that's it, I'm shorting. Never short. I'm kidding. You know, you can't hate on people for shorting high. You can hate on people for shorting low. I'm gonna post a video later tonight about the people that shorted here. A lot of people shorted right here. Idiots! Imbeciles! Alright, so as you can see, Bitcoin potentially. Why are people shorting here? Because of the chickens drinking water, the CDW, the swing failure pattern, whatever you want to call it. Clearly, we've come up. We've taken out the high of the range. And we're rejecting. But when we take a look, we actually have not hit the golden pocket yet. We didn't even hit the monthly yet. So, I don't know. Let's see if we can come up a little bit higher here. This 12-minute is not looking so bad. Yeah, let's see if we can come up a little bit higher. Let's see if we can't come up a little bit higher here. ES is not getting a rejection. Yes, still pumping like crazy, guys. Shout out to Timmy313. He says 200x on MEXC. That is funny. 23,244. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I think we can get a little bit higher here, guys. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher. But you know what? It would behoove me. It would really behoove me to move my TP to the GP. You know, that's a saying that my grandfather used to tell me back in the day. He said, "Son, you best be moving your TP to the GP. Don't be complaining if you're not moving your TP to the GP, son." So now we got our TP to the GP, baby. We're gonna take some P at the GP. The 6 Juanita locally. I'm filled with glee. Let's see if we can hit our take profits, guys. Bitcoin is still strong. Shout out to Andy Sowizo. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. It is a smart saying, right? Move your TP to the GP, baby. We're about to TP at the GP. And you guys can see It's a small TP because your boy, we're live. We're here for a purpose, guys. We are going to $25,000 Bitcoin. So Sam Nash thinks Optos is about to pump hard. Sam Nash, is Optos about to pump hard? 50% gain at 125x. Guys, smash FOMO into the like button. We got 700 people in here. Ask Gramps why I lost all my money. I'll ask my grandfather why you lost all your money. The reason why you lost all your money is because you didn't buy low and sell high, right? Just like Gramps told you. He said, son, buy low. And he would put his hand underneath his crotch back down there, you know? And he said, son, also sell high. And he would make it rain all over Granny. She'd be sitting there in the chair knitting you a blanket. That's right. You listen to him, Jason. He's been buying high. He's been buying low and selling high my whole life, and I have everything I need. You know, look at those Benjamins just flying out of his hand. Grandpa's a rich guy. He worked hard his whole life. Look at those hundos. Look at those Benjamins. How could you not trust those eyes? And people always ask, you know, how come he lives so long if he smokes? Well, the thing is, he grows his own tobacco. Right? He doesn't put all those crazy chemicals in it you buy from the Quick Check. Yeah, baby! We're pumping! Let's go! Do we have 1,000 likes? I am going to do a giveaway at 1,000 likes. We have 600 likes. We don't even have 1,000 people in here. Let's get a let's get some more people up in here. You know what? Everyone call their mom. Tell them to come like the stream. Alright, we just hit a TP, baby. We just hit a TP. Just a little one right there at the GP. TP at the GP. Let's go. 25K Bitcoin. Next Target. 23,839. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now it gets serious. We're breaking out of the inverse H and S. Alright, next stop. 786 We're asking out 618 to what's she going to say? Is she going to go on a date or is she going to reject us? Now here's how we can tell, guys. We got to look at market Cipher B. Do we see the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern? Let's check it out. Let's be objective. 1 hour time frame, guys. We do not have locally the uneven butt cheek pattern. We have a higher momentum wave. Let's go down to the 24-minute. 24-minute looking like it wants to give us a little bit of a squeeze to the upside, baby. Let's go down to the 12. 12-minute time frame. Looking a little bit bullish as well. Shout out to Donovan M. Told my dog to hit the like button. He said it's been a rough day. Well, liking the like button is better. Shout out to Crypto Rudy who called his mom. Bro, do you know check Bitcoin option price? No, I don't know, Tehov. I'm sorry, man. Andy Sowizo believes in 25K before the stream ends. We are getting this pump on, baby. We are getting this pump on, baby. We are long right now. We are unabashedly long. In multiple longs. We're in multiple longs. I'm in 2 longs over on ByBit. I'm in 2 longs over on MEXC, baby. We are unabashedly long. I'm only in 1 short over on ByBit. And that trade is about to get stopped out, guys. Let's take a look. Trade is going to get stopped out soon. Okay? So if we come above the 786, my trade will be stopped out. Okay? I'm holding the short trade still. If this trade gets stopped out, no worries. Still made a good profit on it. If my trade gets stopped out, I will lose on the trade 0.008 Bitcoin. So I've already made 0.03 Bitcoin on the trade. I will lose. I'll basically make about 0.03 Bitcoin on the trade if we get stopped out. That's fine. I can look for a higher entry for the short. I'm still holding multiple longs as we pump, baby. Let's go. Right? Let's go. This is where the rubber meets the road. This is where the rubber meets the road. As we go to Pump City, the DXY is dumping down, baby. The DXY is taking a dump. Ate Taco Bell last night at 3 in the morning. Had a cup of coffee. Definitely taking a dump. The S&P 500 getting its pump on, baby. Another 1 hour candle, absolutely blue. This is what we want to see, guys. Bitcoin to 25K by the end of the stream. Let's go. Shout out to Jason Mayer. Shout out to Bull Run. Shout out to Andy Suizo. Shout out to Tim Collar. He says, last 2 Fridays we had a post-market pump. Bull markets were stronger and Bitcoin volume was high. Time will tell. Yes. Yes, I do have multiple accounts open in different browser profiles. Yes, I do. That's how you gotta roll. And not only that, guys, I highly recommend for all you mobile traders out there that you get an iPad, because this iPad as well, I have multiple ByBit accounts open on the iPad. I've got one open in the mobile app, and I've got one open in the web browser, which is nice because you can trade, you know, you can have them logged in on your phone, logged in on your iPad, and like, I'm a mobile trader, guys. I'll be outside, out in the homestead, planting potatoes and trading. So when I get an alert, I want to have multiple sources. And also in the car, I trade a lot in the car when my wife Big Butts 28 drives. So I'm always trading from the phone. A lot of times the phone is where I enter and exit. In fact, I don't even really use the desktop app to trade, only for streaming it. So I recommend an iPad, guys. Another great thing about the iPad is you can load XO up on here. Now, it sounds like I'm affiliated with iPad, guys, but I'm not. Let's go! Let's go, baby. We are going to come up. Are we going to hit that 7-8 Are we going to hit 7-8? Oh, my goodness, guys. Are we going to hit 7-8? Oh, my goodness. We're pumping. If we can break above 786, guys, we are absolutely going to take the highs. Let's see. How's it looking, man? Let's go. I've got my TP at 25K, guys. Here we go, baby. Here we go. I should probably have another little TP at the 786 as well. There we go. All right, baby. Let's see if we can get up to the 7-8, to say it in Espanol. Okay, so shorts are getting wrecked, but we still have longs coming in, baby. But here's the problem. Here's the problem. If we start to trap some of these longs, it could be bad. But right now, the bulls are in control. Look at these buying imbalances here. Now, a lot of these are shorts getting wrecked, so it's hard to say, but we've definitely got a big increase of longs coming in right here. We can see the net longs coming up right now. Shorts are getting liquidated right now. Now, let's clear off some of the noise. Let's check out how Market Cipher B is looking here. Market Cipher B, looking like we could get another push up, guys. Again, this is key resistance. We made it past 6 Juanita. 6 Juanita, she did absolutely go out with us. We didn't see the upside down uneven butt cheeks when we got to 6 Juanita, and she did go out with us. She's a local hometown girl. She figures Jay Casper's the best she's going to get. Now we're coming up to her sister, the 786. And guys, buying low and selling high. This is what we got to do, right? Buy low and sell high. So we're taking profits at these highs, right? We're taking profits at these highs with hopes of even higher. But Let's see if we can get up to our next few TPs here. I don't know, actually. This is looking a little wiki. A little wiki. Yeah. I don't know. See if we get more longs coming in here. Let's go down to a lower TF. Yeah. How's the ES? ES still pumping, man. Dollar still dumping. I mean, this has been a lot of shorts getting wrecked and a lot of longs opening, and if we start to come down, we could trap some longs at the high. This definitely a good place to be teeing P. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Just snagged a little more profits here, guys. Just a little bit. I'm very conservative with the teeing of the P, because I think this range is going to break, guys. I think this range is going to break. I do have to say, if we come back down, if we lose this, yeah, we're probably coming lower. You know, a lot of people long the break out of the inverse H and S. You know, where my moon boys at? We'll see what happens as we come back down here. Shout out to everybody in the chat, guys. Let's FOMO into the like button. We got about 800 people in here. Let's see if we can get 800 likes. Shout out to James. Says, thank you for all your knowledge, sharing, and guides, especially controlling risk and TPs. Here's 1% from the last 24 hours. Thank you so much, James, for your generous super chat. Fire Up says, let's moon. Michuana says, let's moon, baby. Let's moon. We could have another pump. Yeah, let's see if we get that other pump right up in here, you know? I'm hoping that we get another pump right here. SPX got rejected. Ooh. Ooh. Dang, man. I hope we're not going to have another massive crash down to the doldrums. When should we set our shorts? I don't know. I will say this, though. You know, your boy Jason Gasper shorted it literally from the exact high. I'm just kidding. Isn't this crazy? I was short from before, and it wicked literally right up to my entry, guys. My stop loss is just up here at this red line. Is that not the craziest thing you've ever seen? Is that not the craziest thing? That must be why, guys. See, Bitcoin knows that Jason Gasper's entry is a resistance that must be respected at all times, guys. Must be respected at all times. Can't you even believe that? Wow, man. Talk about having your TA on lock, man. Wow. Man, I got some skills. I even impressed myself. Let's go, baby. We gonna pump. Let's stop out the short, man. We're gonna short from higher. Next stop for me, guys. If we get past this green box of confluence, no surprise that the green box is respected. But next stop for me, guys, is going to be this $24,000 zone up here. Let's grab the highs, man. This is actually kind of bullish, I think. Alright, yeah, let's take a look at ETH real quick. Let's see what ETH is doing. ETH is not doing anything too crazy. ETH is actually putting in a lower high. But I do have to say, the 4 hour on ETH looks pretty dang bullish to me, you know? I hope the market maker herding is coming for my short, because honestly, I care more about the longs right now than the shorts, baby. We're trying to hit 25K. We're trying to hit 25K right now. Can we look at open interest? We're dumping, man. Wow. Dang. Yeah, let's see. Way down. Open interest way down, guys. A whole bunch of longs actually just closed out of their positions here. So there's not really any trapped longs up here. We just had a big decrease of open interest, which basically means all this volume that was coming in to push us up is now out of the market, guys. A lot of longs just closed their positions. Pretty much everybody that longed this whole way up is now out. They're out. They're out. They said, I'm going to long this with my stop loss below. They probably, wow, so look what happened. They longed the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders with their stop loss down here and just got stopped out, probably. Sounds like Jason Richardson. I'm honored. I'm honored. You know, this is me, but Jason Richardson is way, 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 way better than I could ever even think about being. Let's go, baby. Let's keep pumping this Bitcoin. We just stopped out all the pencil necks. We got some more longs coming in, baby. Let's get some more longs coming in. Oh yeah, baby, now we're pumping. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's pump Bitcoin. Let's pump Bitcoin. Yeah, let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to the moon. Shout out to Carl from the moon. Yeah, and Crypto. He's making such a super surprise face.
Here we go, baby.
Yo, I want to pump this Bitcoin straight up to the moon.
Alright, back to the synthwave music, guys. Back to good old synthwave music. Synthwave music. Well, it's an interesting time, guys. You know, we didn't necessarily pump. Right, I forgot, Bully Barry, that metal makes it dump. Dang. I forgot that metal makes it dump. Well, let's see what happens, guys. You know, I'm taunting the market maker right now. Let's taunt the market maker. Let's taunt the market maker. Ooh, market maker. Look at the liquidity to be grabbed here. Look at this pencil neck. Jason Casper thinking he shorted it from the exact top. Come on, market maker. I dare you to stop me out, buddy. I dare you to stop me out, you silly market maker. You elusive little snake, you. Let's see what can happen here, guys. Is this market maker going to stop out your boy Jason Casper? Look at this market maker. I shorted it from the exact top. Is that all you got, baby? Is that all you got, baby? Mark B says, what song was that? I never named it. I don't know. It doesn't have a name. Do you have a name for it? It's called Song Number 2. It was going to be on a 5-track EP that I was writing with my friend. Shout out to Scott Nash. He did vocals on one of the tracks. The rest have no vocals. We're supposed to track them in 2017, you know. We got an EP coming out in 2017, guys. Summer of 2017. Make sure to check it out. That's right, Casual TA Jesus. Shout out to Casual TA Crypto Jesus. Bull CVD on the 5-minute, baby. Let's pump this. Here comes the market maker to stop out my short. Come on, market maker. Stop it out. I dare ya. I dare ya. Stop out my short, baby. Let's check out the EXO charts on the 5-minute. Do we have it on the 5-minute, bro? Yeah, we do. Look at this. Shorts coming in, guys. Shorts coming in, right? This is part of my technique. I encourage the market maker to come stop me out of my short. You know what I'm saying? Shorts right now, trying to short this. They think we're coming down, right? Little do they know, we are not going to dump. We are going to pump. We are going to pump, baby. Look at this. Look at these shorts opening up at the lows. Look at this bullish CVD. My goodness. Wow. Look at these shorts coming in. 1 million. Actually, it's not that many. It's actually not too many. But, relatively speaking, we have some shorts coming in at the low. We got 681,000. We got 400,000, 100,000, 100,000. We have a few shorts getting absorbed here, guys. Actually, it's not too crazy. But it could get crazier. Everybody, every pencil neck out there needs to FOMO short right now. And the market maker needs to stop out your boy, Jason Casper. I'm trying to get stopped out of my short, right? I'm taunting the market maker with this short trade. That's right. Come on. You can do it. You can stop me out, Mr. Market Maker. You got this. You got this. Let's wreck the shorts, baby. I'm rooting for myself to get wrecked. Yes, Phil Shepard, ExoCharts does cost money, but it's actually super cheap. It's actually super cheap. Matt Lane's been short since yesterday's stream. Me too, Matt Lane. Do I FOMO short or FOMO long? Good question. It's gonna go up so fast my order won't fill. That doesn't happen on ByBit, guys. That doesn't happen on ByBit, man. ByBit's all good. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Brendan Shoemaker. Says I'm huffing the Colombian Bam Bam. What's the Colombian Bam Bam? I actually don't know what that is. So guys, if anyone's joining the stream now, we're pumping up to $25,000 today, where we're gonna hit a juicy take profit. A $10,000 take profit at $25,000. 25,000. And right now, we're looking at what is happening live here as we see bullish CVD forming here. Get ready for the pump. Everybody, I hope you have your shoes on. I hope you're wearing your PPE. I hope you're wearing triple layer masks, because things are about to get crazy up in here. Can I reach a discount promo with Exo charts? I don't know, man. I don't know. I maybe. All right, let's see what happens. We got a whole bunch of shorts absorbed. Shorts absorbed. Let's go over what just happened here, guys. Right? Look at what just happened. A whole bunch of people tried to long the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders. Price came down just to stop them out, right? They longed the breakout, put their stop loss underneath. Now they're stopped out. Then they said, you know what? I'm going to short. I'm not going to long. I'm going to short. We can actually see, literally see it happening right here. Look at this. Watch this, guys. Everybody longed. They're like, oh, crap. Everybody closed their long. Now everybody's shorting. And the shorts are getting absorbed. That's crazy, man. Talk about flopping and groping. Talk about Jason Casper's hairstyle. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Wow, yeah. Feeling this. You guys feeling this? Golden Bodybuilding says, big effing dump. Adam H says we're about to dump hard. Well, let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I say we're not going to dump so hard, man. Let's check out what is the S&P 500 doing here. Getting a bounce as well, guys. Let's see. Let's see. There's only one way to know for certain. There's only one way to know for certain what is about to happen. And that is to pull out the fib, baby. That's right, we're going to pull the fib. We're going to pull the fib locally. Uh-oh, I'm getting a little bit nervous here. All right, let's take bets on pump or dump. Now, most of you guys were bullish. I'm gonna post in the chat here another poll. Most of you guys said we're going to 25K by the end of the stream. All right, guys, make sure to vote on the poll. Are we going to pump or dump? Pump or dump? I think we're gonna pump, man. I think we're gonna pump. Let's go. Let's see what you guys think in the chat here. Most people think we're gonna pump. 45% say pump, 40% say dump, 14% say yes. 6 Juanita's been sleeping around. Oh no. It's horrible. Colombian Bam equals marijuana. Oh, interesting, interesting. I didn't know that. I did not know that. Cadillac Records, we're going to range for a few and then pump. Yeah, let's see if we can do that, guys. Let's see if we can do that. I'm hoping we can do it. Remember, the goal of the stream is 25K. Or at least 24K, right? At least 24K. Should we taunt the market maker a little more? So again, guys, if anyone's new to the stream, we're taunting the market maker, right? We want the price to pump, and so we shorted it from the exact high of the wick to the dang dollar, to the nano cent, to entice them to stop us out, right? So that we can take profits at higher prices on our longs. This is what we want to do. And we're teasing the market maker. You elusive little snake, you. Always trying to get me wrecked. Always trying to make me FOMO long. Meanwhile, the market maker's building his shorts. Trying to get the retail trader to FOMO short. Meanwhile, the market maker's building his longs. But here's the thing. The market maker knows that you know that he knows that you know that he knows that you're trying to build your longs up at the highs, which is why he's trying to build his shorts. But he also knows that you know that he's trying to build his shorts. So he's going to try and get you to FOMO short now because he's trying to build his longs even though he's building his shorts. But you know that he knows that you know that he knows that you know that he is trying to get you wrecked. Okay? Which is why you're short. Okay? But at the same time, right, we're also long. Because we know that he knows that we know that he knows that we know that he knows that he can't short unless we're longing. Which is why we're long right now, okay? But we're short because we know that the market maker knows that we don't know that the market maker is trying to build his short. And so he wants us to long, which is why we're short, okay? Now let's get back and check out the SPX. Okay, SPX in local resistance. If we can reclaim the zone of the sisters, the Fibonacci sisters, the 618 and the 786. Then we will see higher prices. Let's see what happens here, guys. This is crucial. This is crucial. This is crucial. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's see if we can reclaim this. It's not looking so great, guys. We have a bearish trigger wave coming right here at the 618 on the ES on the 12-minute time frame. On EXO. Let's see some things here. I don't know, guys. You know, yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I don't know. I don't know, right? You guys know? I don't know. I hope we range and then pump. Let's see if we can pump, guys. Let's see if we can pump. Let's see if we can pump. Alright, this is some good music to pump to. Let's see if this music will pump the price. Is it working? It's working a little bit, guys. You know? It's working a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Dang it, guys. So the ES is rejecting from the golden pocket /786. Yeah, the bull div on the CBD will be invalidated soon, guys. Dang. Dang, dang. Oh. I thought we were gonna hit 20K, 25K. Whoop, was that a Freudian slip? I thought we were gonna hit 20K. Freudian slip. Freudian slip. Freudian slip. A Freudian slip. Down, now, 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 now. Now, 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 wow. Wow, now, now, wow, 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 wow. Wow. All right, I'm trying to scoop a little profit out here, just a little bit, because I'm losing faith. Okay, there we go. Just hit another little TP, because here's the thing. I don't want to. I don't know if we're gonna dump, guys. I don't know, and so I don't want to lose the trade without anything too significant. So this is fine. This is fine now. Let's see if we get another pump. How's our bullish CBD looking? Still going, guys. Still going. So we might actually pump here. Let's continue to entice the market maker to pump the price. Okay, market maker. We're short, and we think we're clever. We think we shorted it from the exact high. And how great would it be if you just stop us out, Mr. Market Maker, so that we can hit some long TPs? You know what I'm saying? We think we're slick. We think we just amazingly shorted it from the high. How is this even possible? How is that even possible? How is this even possible, guys? How is that even possible? You guys see this? You see this right here? That is cool. That is cool stuff. Shout out to Candle Rider, who just signed into another YouTube account to give me another like. That's great, man. 3.9 at 24K. We don't have many trap longs. No, this is not just open, bro. That trade, that short trade is it's fake. It's fake. This is my old entry, like, believe it or not. This was literally my entry from Wednesday, and we wicked literally to my entry and dropped from there. And my stop loss is up here, up just above the 786, so I didn't get stopped out. But is that not crazy? It looks crazy. It looks crazy. So I'm just going with it. I'm rolling with it, guys. I'm rolling with it. Yeah, I'm not that good, but you know, I could fake it right now. I could fake it. Yeah, look at that. Wow, amazing. How did I do that? You know, I knew the exact level. I had a limit order set there. I knew the exact level, guys. Shout out to my Illuminati handlers who let me know. It was the 0.33 fib level. The 0.33 fib level on, it happened at 3:22 o'clock. 3:22 p.m., the 33% fib retracement. I entered short with 72,000 contracts. You know? Matic is dumping in the 1 hour bearish divergence. Man, that is not good, actually, for crypto. Wow, Matic came right up to the 786, guys. Don't mess with her. She's a tough lady. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it pumps anyway also, Andy. I wouldn't be surprised if it pumps, guys. We have about 15 minutes until New York closes, until power hour. So let's see if we can get that move to the upside that we've all been hoping and dreaming for here. Do I still use Bitget? I don't still use Bitget, but I have no issues with it. I just like MEXC as a better secondary exchange, because MEXC, I like, it functions as similarly to ByBit, more similarly to ByBit than Bitget. I have no issues with Bitget. They have good liquidity. It's a good exchange. It's a great exchange. I have nothing but love for my friends over at Bitget. If you're trying to get the bit, baby, trying to get bit, head over to Bitget. Well, okay, guys, so it's official. It's official. We put in a lower low on the ES after putting in a high, rejection secondary from the golden pocket right here. Dang, man. I'm not feeling as bullish as I was, guys. Yeah, I'm not feeling as bullish as I was. I was hoping we'd get a pump here. Alright guys, so we are getting a bounce from the local Fibonacci golden pocket right here. So let's see what's happening. On the order flow here. We have shorts opening this entire way down, guys. Oh wait, this is frozen right here. So hang on, this is not accurate. Let's see. Oof! That's a liquidity grab if I ever done seen one. Big decrease of open interest on that. My XO is way. Oh wow. 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 This actually looks like we might get a little bounce. We've got some shorts opening up right here, and the CBD is getting lower as the price is getting higher, and XO is a little frozen. So what's going to happen? We're coming to the golden pocket. Let's see. Let's see if maybe our hopes and dreams are still 25K by the end of the stream. Wow, is that possible? Is that possible? Now that's a liquidity grab if I ever done seen one, huh? Are we going to make it up to the 25K? What do you guys think? Alright, they say no. Yes. Shout out to Tom Crown, man. Tom Crown, bro, I need some help. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown on YouTube. Tom Crown, help me out, bro. I'm shooting for 25K, Tom Crown. We have a goal. The reason why you ended your stream and I'm still streaming, bro. My goal is 25K by the end of the stream. And I'm trying to hit it. I just FOMO'd out because I don't want to not have profits at the end of this trade. But what do you think, Tom Crown? Are we going to pump or are we going to dump, bro? Because I need help right now. We have 10 minutes until New York closes. Shout out to Tom Crown. Thank you so much for the super chat, bro. You're the man. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown. Go like all his videos. Go follow him on Twitter. I'm irresponsibly long. I don't think it's irresponsible, guys. We're doing our best over here. I'm long, but you know, the good news is, guys, not only are we long, anyone new to the stream here, we're short from literally the exact top. To the dollar. To the dollar. And the reason why we shorted the exact top is so that we could entice the market maker to stop out our shorts, to pump our longs, because we're also unabashedly long in multiple long positions. Only one short. Trading on KuCoin, trying to load up on some alts, guys. Been loading up on a lot of alts over on KuCoin. Shout out to KuCoin. All right, Tom Crown says we're going to pump. Tom Crown's on the pump side. Let's go, baby. H has been pumping on weekends. That's true. That's true. ByBit won't punish you for having multiple accounts in the same time. No, they want that. They want people to trade on their platform. Mr. Crown also a goat. That's true. Tom Crown, man, he's the man. I would love to interview George Bush. Good old George W. Good old J.W. Bush, G.W. Bush, the Bushmeister. Wow, guys, okay, I do have to say that this is frozen. That this is frozen here. Let's see if we can unfreeze it. All right. Let's see what we can get here. Shorts opening. Let's see if we can get anything of substantiality here. Okay, let's see if we can hold maybe a little bit of support. How's our good friend, the S&P? Ah! Oh my goodness. We are going to Dump City. On the S&P 500. Absolutely dumping, guys. S&P 500 going all the way down. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Can you guys even believe this? Dang. Callum E said, lights out on SPX after 4090. Well, I thought that too, man, but we surpassed that monthly level. Let's see if we get a buyback. How's it going on the chart now? 5 minutes until New York close. Some slight absorption of shorts here. Slight absorption of shorts. Dang. Shout out to today's sponsor, Carl from the Moon. Shout out to L888. Well, dang. Well, dang, nabbit, Meister, cheese wheel, and a mouse sandwich, the tractor, and my old Aunt Sally playing the spoons on the front porch with the banjo. Who would have ever thought this was gonna happen? Who would have ever thought Bitcoin would pump just to dump? Who would have ever guessed in a million years that after a pump, Bitcoin would dump? Who would have thought that the breakout of the inverse head and shoulders would be a fake out and now we're dumping down from the level of resistance that we've had on our chart all day? I never would have thought that, guys. The goal of this stream was 25K, but here we are at the golden pocket. Make it or break it. The S&P 500 is falling down, free fall speed. This could be the end of everything we've hoped and dreamed for. This could be the weekend of blood in the streets. Oh my goodness. We have to hold. We have to hold the golden pocket. If we don't hold the golden pocket, guys, things could get really bad really fast. Things could get really bad really quick. The fast move is the fake move, asked Tino. Crap, we're coming down to the 786, guys. Alright, time to secure my stop loss at the entry right now. Okay. Alright, so guaranteed a nice $800 win. Even if we dump down. And here's the thing, guys. We are at resistance. Like, we cannot ignore the fact that, yeah, we have resistance. We're back inside the value area of the range right now on Bitcoin, guys, which means it's very probable that we revisit now the point of control, which is coming in at about 22,890. So 22,890 is the next key level of support that we have on the way down here. Let's update our value area to see if we have any value area shift. 2 minutes! Until New York closes, guys. You know, 2 minutes until New York closes. Let's see. We do have a Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right at the point of control. So let's see if we get to move down to that POC, guys. If we get to move down to the POC. Are we coming to the POC? Can I get a... So this is the support that has to hold for real. 22,900, 22,900, 22,900. Let's see. We've come back inside the value area low. There's a good chance we come down to the POC. Let's check out the order flow chart. See what's hanging. Dang. Shout out to Duper, by the way. Duper, God bless you, bro. Shout out to Duper. Yeah, dang. So we're coming down to VWAP, weekly point of control. Yeah, man. You know, you guys know. Let's see what happens. Guys, let's see if we get a whole bunch of FOMO shorts shorting right into VWAP, point of control, golden pocket. VWAP is right here. Let's see if we come below VWAP a little bit. Get a whole bunch of shorts. Wait a second. Did we just bounce from VWAP? No, we front ran the VWAP like crazy. That's actually bearish. Guys, whenever we front run a level like that and get a bounce, the next time we come to it, we fall right through. Especially with VWAP. And that happens too with like levels of resistance. Like last Friday. the 20th, when I got absolutely wrecked shorting 21.7. I shorted this on Friday, guys. A week ago, I got wrecked. I shorted this right here. What an idiot. What an imbecile. Right? Because we front ran it. Whenever we front run a level and get a nice rejection, the next time we don't touch it, so be warned. So this is actually a little bearish for the VWAP, honestly. I hope we do bounce from POC. Let's see. We tapped the view up on USDT. Guys, hang on. I dropped something and I have to find it. All right. I found what I was looking for, guys. I found it. All right, awesome. So, yeah, we do have some divs forming here on the 1 minute. Money flow getting lower. If we come down to this golden pocket, I'm probably just going to FOMO add to my position here, because if I'm still holding, I'm holding 3 long trades, right? So it's like, what do I have to lose? But we'll have to wait and see how things are looking when we come down there. Well, let's see how this is gonna hang. Legends have it. Did I take the short? Let's see. Did I take it? Did I take the short? From the exact top to the dollar. Level given in advance. The exact nanocent. Yes. Of course we took the short, my friend. Of course. Justin Irwin can see a 12 to 14K bottom. Now that we've gotten a little pullback, just a tiny little pullback, he can see a 12K bottom. Let's see here. It is 2%, I do have to say. But here's the thing, we're at local support, guys. We're at local support. The bulls are still in control, baby. We gonna pump from here. I don't know. I actually don't know what's going to happen here, guys, but I do. Are any shorts trapped? Let's check it out. They've closed. There were shorts down here that did open, and now they've closed. Now they've closed. So it's 4:06, guys. This is power hour. This is where we start to pump. The markets are closed for the weekend. Is the ES closed right now? No, the ES will close, I think, at daily open in about 3 hours. But New York Stock Exchange is closed. We're starting to get a little bit of a move to the upside here. So let's go, baby. Let's hold these longs over the weekend and see if we come back Monday morning with some juicy profits. With some juicy, juicy profits. Let's see. Uh-oh. Warning. Bearish CBD on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, that's right. J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Guys, nothing here is financial advice. This is pure sensationalism. This isn't even a real office, guys. It's just a green screen. It's just a green screen in an unfinished basement, guys. Never trust a guy on the internet. Futures close in 1 hour, huh? Yeah, interesting, interesting. Well, guys, it's been a good stream. I do have to go because it's late. But here's the thing. You know, I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my walk with the Lord very seriously. And I do pray that all of you are blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still hope that you are blessed if you're watching or listening. And, yeah, I'm out for the weekend, guys. It's going to be a good weekend. And time to rest and spend time with friends and family. Spend time with the Lord. It's going to be a good time. So, guys, remember, trading can be super addictive, but you got to take time off. You got to put God first, family. And make sure everything's in its proper order. And taking a day off every week is a great way to do that. So, love all of you. God bless all of you. And I will see everybody in the next stream. So, peace.